Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board on one of our brand new boats. Just came in. It's a 2026 Sylvan G-3. It's got the absolutely beautiful pearl white fiberglass exterior with this really elegant brown interior. So ton of stuff to talk about here on the boat. We'll run through it. We'll start back here on the swim platform. This boat's actually going to be powered by a Mercury 300 outboard, paint matched to the side of the boat. And then a really nice feature of this G3 is you are going to have this full powder coated steel enclosure back here. You will have gates on the port and starboard side. Just a really nice and elegant touch. Back here you will have a expansive sunbed along with some of your controls for your JL audio system as well as some of your courtesy lighting. You will also have access to some of your controls for the power bimini. And then here on our starboard side, you'll see as we walk through, you will have a really nice summer kitchen with some stainless steel cabinets here, as well as here, and you will have a sink. Really nice part about the sunbed on this boat is it is modular, so you can sit in this current configuration right here, but if you wanted to expand this sunbed right back here, all you have to do is flip that forward and you have a really nice sunbed. As I mentioned, this boat does come standard with a power bimini top, so press of a button you can drop and raise the bimini just with a press of a button. And then on the G3 you do get upgraded captain and co-captain's chairs, so really nice seating, really nice upholstery, and you will have this really big flip up bolster. And then here at our helm station, you are going to have the Simrad multifunction display, so that'll give you all of your Mercury data along with your chart plotter and your depth finder. And then this boat also comes equipped with an upgraded JL audio system, so you are going to have a ton of speakers back here as well as in the front of the boat, and it is paired with a subwoofer, so you'll get some really good sound out of this boat. You will have subfloor storage in here as well as a really nice and expansive seating area up here on the bow. Now guys, there's a ton more to check out on this boat. I'd love to show you guys. If you'd like to learn more about it, visit us at marinemax.com or visit us here at MarineMax on Lake Lanier.